In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design a business card in Canva 2025, step by step. Open your web browser and head to canva.com. Log into your account so your work saves automatically and you can return to it later. From the Canva homepage, use the search bar and type business card. This will pull up a variety of ready-made designs. Switch to the templates view to see curated options designed specifically for business cards. Scroll through and pick a layout that matches your brand's personality: clean and modern, bold and colorful, or classic and minimal. To keep your project free, choose a template without the crown icon. When you've found a good fit, click Customize this template to open it in the editor. Start by replacing the placeholder name. Click directly on the text and type your full name, then update your job title. Keep the name the most prominent and the title slightly smaller for clear visual hierarchy. If anything looks cramped, increase spacing or adjust alignment for balance and readability. Next, replace the logo. Open the Uploads tab on the left, click Upload Files, and select your logo from your computer. A PNG with a transparent background usually looks best. Once it finishes uploading, drag the logo onto the existing one to swap it in, then resize or reposition as needed so it aligns nicely with the text. Update the company or business name in the designated text field, then refresh the contact details, your email, your primary contact number, your location, and your website. Keep these concise and accurate. Make sure the text contrasts clearly with the background so it's easy to read at a small size, and give everything one quick proofread. Switch to the back of the card using the page thumbnails. Here, you can change the logo again if the layout calls for it and update the company or business name to stay consistent with the front. This side is a great place to emphasize your brand mark or key message. If you want to customize colors, click the background of the card, open the color picker, and choose a shade that complements your logo and maintains strong contrast with text. For typography, click any text box, open the font menu, and scroll to select a font that suits your brand. Sticking to one or two fonts helps keep the design cohesive. Finally, zoom out to review spacing and alignment, ensuring no elements sit too close to the edges. And that's your business card in Canva. Clean, on brand, and ready for sharing or printing.